Morning guys, in front of me is Motorola Edge Plus, and let me show you how to perform a soft reset of this device. So basically all you have to do once you cannot use your device and want to force restart is tap on power button along with volume down button. Just tap and hold both of them. And once you're in fast boot, use volume up and down buttons to navigate. And mark not start but restart. Actually power off, okay. And tap on power button again to boot your device again. Wait a couple of seconds and then you'll be able to use your device in a normal way. Unlock it and that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.